Meet Atlanta's most talked about resident.
Oh, he's beautiful. How much weight has he gained in a week?
He's averaging about a pound a week. It's getting big.
Yeah.
And we'll take a listen to him.
I got a bird's eye view of Dr. Haley Murphy and vet tech Sharon Teasley's weekly checkup with a baby panda, born back in November.
Let me just look at his belly. Oh my goodness.
What are you feeling for?
I just want to make sure his belly's nice and full, that he's eating well, that everything feels like it's growing normally. If he had a real empty belly or a real soft belly, like it wasn't full, we'd worry about him not nursing enough, but he's nursing very, very well.
Good thing, because he's expected to grow up to weigh over 200 pounds and be as tall as 6 feet high.
And what do you have to be cautious of?
Well, they are bears, so when he gets to be an adult, we certainly won't go with him when he's awake.
It may sound like this little panda doesn't like going to the doctor,
I know, little man.
but it's simply the panda's way of communicating. The staff believes he may be missing his mom, who is with him 24/7, except for this weekly visit.
He's not in any discomfort or anything. It's
No. He's calling for his mom.
Yeah.
So when will this baby have a real name? The zoo has decided to uphold an ancient Chinese tradition.
So we have to wait a little bit longer for the name? The tradition is
Yes,
100 days?
100 days is a Chinese tradition, and so we won't even discuss it until around then and follow the tradition of the country that they're from.
This little tyke certainly has come a long way since we first announced his birth on GMA.
Look real close. There is the brand new baby cub down in Atlanta, creating all kinds of excitement.
Then he was the size of a cell phone. Today, more like the size of a shoebox. Zookeepers keep an eye on the cub, mother and father, through this network of monitors. They're keeping the cubs safe from the elements until spring, when he will make his public debut.
How's it been for everybody here, having the attention?
We're very, very excited.
It's been pretty amazing to live through a partnership both internationally and nationally for an animal that's so endangered and make it all come together for a species that needs help.
And our thanks to everyone at Zoo Atlanta. Boy, do they love what they do. And you think that the little cub is shaking. No, it was trying to right itself for the first time, and that was something they noticed in this weekly checkup, that it was trying
he hasn't stood up
just
yet.
like a newborn. Yeah, no, but that was the first that they've seen of that, trying to sit up there, George.
Well, you can't blame him for
great.
missing his mom while he was going through all that either.
Yeah, not
That
at
was
all.
fantastic, Robin. Thanks very much.